Hello, in this video I want to show you how to switch photo quality in XIAOMI Redmi Note 9. First you need to open your camera app on your phone. Then click on the three lines on the top right corner on our screen. And then find the setting icon here and select it. Then scroll down a little bit and find the picture quality. Here we can set low, standard or high quality of our photos, picture and other. Set you want desired quality, and this all we switch photo quality in XIAOMI Redmi Note 9. Today this all. Goodbye.